Okay guys, I'm going to go through your whole assignment for today. I will kind of break it up. For the most part, I'm going to talk about the all about me, okay? I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope you're having fun at home, and I hope you work really hard on these assignments, okay? All right, what we are going to do is we are going to talk about our top 3 summer memories, okay? So I want you to think about your summer vacation, your top 3 favorite things from summer vacation, and you're going to put them in these boxes right here. You're going to type them in here. So it could be maybe going to the park, maybe going to the pool, maybe just hanging out at home and playing Fortnite, because I know that's what lots of you like to do. So you're going to type in these boxes your 3 favorite memories from summer vacation. The next thing you're going to do, it says my life snapshots, okay? So if you can put in 3 pictures of your life, and you can do that on your Chromebook if you want to, put in 3 pictures, okay? I know some of you might have a little bit of trouble with your webcam, so if you cannot put pictures in here, that is just fine, okay? Maybe down here you could just tell me 3 more memories, okay? If you can put in pictures though, put in 3 pictures, and then down here you're just gonna type in here what's happening in the picture, okay? So maybe it's I am being silly, okay? So 3 pictures and then typing in what's happening in those pictures. If for some reason you can't figure out your webcam, just go ahead and type in 3 more memories from summer. This next part, it says my goals for this year. So I want you to come up with 4 goals for this year, okay? It says I will learn to. So what is a goal that you want to learn? Down here it says at home I will. So what's something at home that you want to be better at? Maybe that's cleaning your room. Maybe that's taking the dog for a walk. This over here says I will get better at. What's something you want to get better at? Maybe it's riding your bike, tying your shoes. With my friends, I will. Maybe you'll be kind to your friends, play with your friends more. So 4 different goals that you are working on and typing them in those boxes. Down here we have our foundations video again. You just press play and then you do the letters and the sounds with me. Okay, so after I do it, you will then repeat it. This is our math video going over our math assignment. And then this is our math assignment going over even and odd numbers again. And then down here, this video will be here and it'll be your read aloud, okay? Please let me know if you have any questions. Work hard, first grade.